In this video we share some fascinating facts about the world's largest mining dump truck, the BelAZ 75710. Powered by 2 diesel engines, this giant truck weighs in at an incredible 360 tons and is capable of moving 450 tons of rubble in one go.
And rock.
An entirely new class of mining dump trucks, developed by BelAZ.
Maneuverability, original rotational kinematics,
New solutions in power drive, solutions in steering gear, solutions in the load-carrying frame.
2 diesel generators, 4-wheel electric motors, 8 tires, 4,600 horsepower.
When the truck carries the load, it has 2 engines working. When the truck rides
On the same roads as a 360-ton truck, it fits into the same dimensions of the repair bay. Any driver who has the license to drive mining dump trucks may drive the 450-ton truck. The algorithm of the driving is exactly the same.
Today, these trucks are already assembled at new production sites, specially built by BelAZ.
In 2012, in Las Vegas, the creation of a 450-ton capacity truck was announced. Few believed. The year has passed, and here it is.
Overcoming slopes up to 18%, all-wheel drive. A maximum speed of 64 kilometers per hour. Design capacity is 25% higher than all existing mining dump trucks of the highest capacity.
This truck will make a great claim about itself.
BelAZ 75710.
The 75710 can carry a 450 metric ton 496 short ton load. With an empty weight of 360 tons, it is much more heavily built than the previous model. It is 20.6 meters long, 8.16 meters high, and 9.87 meters wide. It has a turning radius of about 20 meters.